Barbie Fortesa and David Licaco are nothing but delighted to be working on a new project together. During GMA News Online set visit to the Pulang Araw, set in Sampaloc, Manila, the pambansang Ginoo said that Barda has reunited and it feels so good. Hopefully, nandun pa rin yung chemistry na nagustuhan ng mga tao, David added. Meanwhile, Barbie is simply happy to work with David on different genres and diverse characters following the success of their love team on Maria Clara at Ibarra and Maging Sino Ka Man. I always see him in a different light, so ang saya, Barbie said. She added that the way they approach and create characters is always new. Ako naman, hindi ko naman siya tinatanong kung papaano niya binubuo yung karakter. Nakikita ko na lang pag magka-eksena kami, he said. Pag nagkaka-eksena kami, parang naiintindihan ko na, okay, so ganun pala niya ginawa. So doon ko matitimpla naman how I will approach her character as Adelina. In the highly anticipated drama, Pulang Araw, Barbie plays vaudeville star Adelina and David is Japanese migrant Hiroshi.